Hey guys, welcome to my car. It's 3:32 right now and I got to the location. I'm here early to kind of scope out the place, see how the trees are doing. Today I'm doing a film photo shoot. I have my films here. Oh crap. Waiting on the model and I'll see you guys when she arrives. So I think she just canceled on me. Oh gosh, yeah. Reschedule. Wow, this vlog is not turning out. As a photographer, you do get canceled on. That's okay. It happens. It happens all the time. All the time. If I could tell you the amount of times I've had models cancel on me, I try to be as understanding as possible. It's okay. She always comes and works with me, so I appreciate that. I guess I gotta zip everything back up. We're going home, guys. We're going home. Is that a song of some kind? I'm gonna go to the thrift shop and just see what kind of clothes they got, so maybe I can take some with me to Amsterdam. So that's what I'm doing.
Good afternoon, Salvation Army shoppers. Today, anything in the store that has a yellow colored tag will be half off. And today, if you are a veteran, police, fire, EMT with proper ID, you get 25% off. We are hiring. If you'd like an application, just ask the cashier. And we want to thank you for shopping Salvation Army and have a blessed day.
She's so cute. So there's no fitting rooms available. But I think I'm gonna end up getting this. It is only $3.99. I'm gonna grab this for my models. Very simple and cute. I'm just debating on this whole situation. Should I grab this? I don't know. I like the color, but I need to try it on. This is the jacket. Kind of leaning towards no though. I don't know. There's 4 minutes left, and they're about to read the verdict. I'm ready. 4 minutes left.
Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Statement was about Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false.
Let's cry.
Was designed.
That is crazy. That's you know how hard it is to win a defamation
as to
case?
this edition.
Yeah, he won.
On
He won.
Answer, yes.
Somebody said, is she screwed?
Question,
Answer, yes.
defamatory implication was designed and intended.
That's the hair that was stuck in my cap. And the funny thing is I tried to clean my sensor myself and that was not successful.
I think I got it. Or it dropped down in there and it's gonna come back up.
Oh gosh.
I mean,
You're gonna be saving my life here.
you got some other stuff in there, so it's.
I do have so it's my cat's fault.
Mm-hmm.
It's my cat's fault. So was it in the sensor or was it in my lens?
Oh, it's on the sensor, right in front of the sensor.
Jerry, you're changing lives here.
Let me show you with a different camera. I don't want to open your camera.
It's clean now. Look at that. That's beautiful. And then what would you recommend for cleaning? I'm thinking this kit.
I wouldn't get that.
You wouldn't? Okay. He says no to this. He just cleaned my camera. That's been there was a hair in there for like the last 6 months, probably more. And all the pictures I've been taking have had the hair in it, and I thought I cleaned it, but I didn't. He literally cleaned it within like 5 minutes. So anyways, thank you Procam. You guys are amazing. Jerry, he's the best. He recommended me things to clean my camera with. I can't believe I took pictures for so long like that. Anyways, I'm gonna go get some coffee, even though I just drank coffee, but you know. They also gave me a bunch of cleaning supplies for free. The owner was like, just, it's $0, don't charge her for it. I was like, you are so nice, thank you so much. Yeah, they're super nice at Procam, and I've been coming there for a while. I'm just gonna be careful when I'm opening my camera lens and switching lenses, because my cat hair can just fall in there. He knew it was cat hair real quick. He's like, do you have cats? I was like, yes. And he's like, that's what's been in your camera, your cat hair, most likely. So he knew. I never thought that my cat's hair could do such a thing. I low-key wanted to get another coffee, but I'm kind of out of control with the caffeine, even though I'm pretty sure what I just ordered has caffeine in it. I could make better choices in my life, but if this is the worst one, it's not so bad. Hi. I love your haircut and your hair. Like, what? Is that how it is naturally?
Oh no, I have red and then I put
It
brown
looks
on my-
no, it looks so good. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Cool. Put your chin up, arms up. Okay. We definitely got 3 good pictures. We got more than that. The rose one was my favorite, by the way. I don't know, my face is like burnt for some reason. I just woke up and it's burning. I am by no means a makeup artist. Crap, I look like a clown. Great. You put just a little bit too much clown. It's too late to go back. We're gonna be a clown today. I'm done. This is what it looks like in direct light. It looks a lot better. Less clowny. So I'm on my way to go pick up Angelica, and we're gonna go hang out. I haven't seen her in a while. So I picked up Angelica, and we're walking to get cookies. I actually drove past this place, and I was like, speaking of food, Angelica, I see you got a cookie place next to you. And she's like, yes, they have delicious cookies. So we decided to walk instead of drive, which is very un-American of us.
Yeah.
We would normally be like driving, even if it's like 2-minute drive.
People in their cars are looking at us like,
Yeah, everyone's
what are
looking.
you doing?
They're like, why are you walking? Angelica, where'd you get your outfit from? Look at this. She's looking like a model right now. I wish I brought my camera.
I feel like I look bald when I
Show us the fit. Where's the fit from?
ASOS and Aritzia,
Look at this, you guys.
because that's all that fits me.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Also, may I just add, Angelica's one of the very first models I worked with. We met back, what, in 2014, 15?
Yeah.
And how did we meet?
You messaged me on Facebook, like a creep.
I was kind of creepy. I was like, hey, you're really beautiful. Can I take pictures of you? She's like, sure. Then you came to my basement.
I did. It was like a back door down to the basement.
She's like, this is fine. That's
Yeah.
okay.
I was like, I feel safe.
And then look, we've been working together ever since.
So they have gluten
I haven't, and these look so good.
Same.
Look at that. Wow.
The blueberry.
So this one's the one that Jordan gets, the chocolate s'mores?
Yeah, we both like that one a lot.
Thank you, Angelica. Okay, we got our cookies. And you got cake, Angelica?
Yeah, we're gonna eat it.
Superman ice cream, Superman cake, ice cream cake.
I think it's ice cream cake.
Okay, I do a taste test.
Okay.
It's good?
It's really good.
What does it taste like?
It's just very moist.
All right. It tastes just like the ice cream. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
That is delicious. Is that a meme or something? That is delicious. Am I just making that up? Wait, isn't the Superman ice cream only in Michigan? Is that like a Michigan thing?
I heard it is actually.
Later today, I need to return this tablet that I bought because it's not working. It's supposed to be wireless, Bluetooth connected, and every time I use it, it just stops. It connects, and then 2 seconds later, it's not connected anymore. And I guess you need to charge it. I'm not trying to charge and do all of that. I just want it to always work without batteries. That's not, now that I'm saying it out loud, I realize how ridiculous that sounds. You do gotta charge the batteries. But I didn't even know that there was a battery in here. I just thought it worked magically. I mean, if you watch Harry Potter, you know, you believe in that stuff. So anyways, I have to go and return that today. So get my $60 back. Okay, Jessica, tell us what you ordered us.
So this is a honeycomb, and this is a Yemeni tea. Yemeni latte, sorry. And this is Yemeni tea. It's called Adani tea. It's a lot of cardamom and sweet. And that's another honeycomb. This is our friend, our beautiful friend Fatin. This is me. Here you go.
Sarah, she's not coming.
Sarah's not coming.
So tell everyone about Sarah.
Sarah is an hour and a half late, so Sarah's running very much on Lebanese timing. Very casual, like very Sarah of her. It's very Sarah.
She first said she was gonna be like 8:30. And then it's now 9. What time is it now?
And then
it's
9:15.
9 and then now 9.
Now
It's 9:25? All right, so it's currently what time?
9:45. 9:45.
Where's Sarah?
Sarah, where are you?
Sarah's not here.
Sarah, Sarah, where are you, Sarah?
Wait. And this is my best friend. Are you serious? This is my bestie.
Oh, you know Brahim.
I was just talking to my friends about you.
Cool.
My brother and my friend and his friends.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How's everything good?
Alhamdulillah, it's good. Sarah's not here, so we have a replacement Sarah. Brahim.
And I opened...
Sarah says she's on her way. She said 10 minutes.
Sarah's on her way.
But it's really 10 o'clock and I gotta go sleep.
So wait, what time is it now?
10 o'clock.
It's literally 9:58.
Comment down below what you think we're gonna do. Comment below. Should we leave? Should we stay? We're gonna wait for the comments.
Sarah has arrived. What time is it?
It is.
It's 10 o'clock.
I promise I'm not usually this late.
Hey guys, we are currently in Detroit and I'm doing my first ever run. It's called the Night Nation Run. And how many miles is this? 5 miles?
It says 5K, so 2.7 I think.
We're gonna be walking, we're not gonna be running it. So this is the bag that we got. Let's see, we got the glow sticks for when it gets dark. We got these glasses. They gave us the shirts, but you guys, this material, I'm gonna be melting. You ever watch Wizard of Oz? You know what happens to one of the witches? Like that's gonna be me.
Kinda ugly.
fashionable. Maybe I'll wear this on my next trip. Can I put my camera gear in there? What do you think, Aya?
Looks great.
It's so hot right now. I'm really excited to do this run though. Let's go. Ready? Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait, I want you to hold it down like that.
Alright, here we go. If this is your first time at the Night Nation one, this is how this thing is about to go. We're about to send everybody to the start line, which is to my left, your right. Follow the green flags. We're going to lead you down the stairs to the start chute. We're going to let you go off in waves along the course. We got some amazing DJs, some amazing stages right there along the Night Nation course tonight.
Have to start editing some photos that I should have edited last year. This set of photos is of my friend Lovis, and I took them back in I think October of 2021. A little late. I kept putting this off just because I had so many videos to edit. Just got backed up with other photo shoots, and finally I'm getting to them now. So I'm gonna edit these and then send them off to her. Finally, 20 years later. I'm sorry, Lovis.